What if I told you there's a career where you can earn some of the highest salaries in the UK with the best work-life balance you could have ever imagined? Well, today I'm going to be showing you that there is a career path out there that can offer that, and it is possible. So I completely get where you are right now. You're probably in a position where you just don't want to work a 9 to 5. You want a career in which you can travel the world, wake up every day and feel excited for. Whilst when you get back home, you can enjoy your time away from work without worrying about work and enjoy it with your family. Now let me ask you, have you ever considered what it's like to be a pilot? Now I know what you're thinking. Being a pilot involves jet lag, long working hours, being absolutely shattered, as well as a pile of stress and tests. Well, let me break that down for you. The reality of that is so much different to what you might have imagined. I genuinely believe that this career path of being a pilot is probably one of the most well-kept secrets out there. You can enjoy really flexible schedules. For example, this winter, I've flown about 40 hours since November. Now, if I was to compare that to a 9 to 5, where you're working about 8 hours a day, that would be 5 days of work in the course of about 3 months. So putting that into context, I've had a lot of downtime away from work, which is why I'm here talking to you, because I've got time to do that whilst being a full-time commercial pilot. Now that being said, summers can be busy, and I don't disregard that. They can be busy, but if you really think about it, airlines have flight duty limitations so that they're not overworking their pilots and that it doesn't become dangerous. So for example, within most airlines in the UK, you can work a maximum of 6 days in a row, and that 6 days has to be separated by a few days off. Now, if you think about the 9 to 5 lifestyle, you're working 5 days in a row with 2 days off and then going back into work for another 5 days. And that's all year round. You won't even get a break in the winter period. Not to mention that within some career paths, you're also worrying about work after you've clocked out. Like, I've got this deadline to meet next week, or I've got to do this by a certain date. When it comes to being a pilot, you leave the keys on the aircraft and you can forget about it until you next report for duty. We can genuinely enjoy our downtime and time with our family, and we can enjoy our time off doing things that we enjoy without thinking about work. And that is a massive privilege to have within this profession. Now, is it easy to get there? No, it's not. But then nothing in life worth having is easy to get. If you're really interested in it, please DM me on Instagram and I'll do my best to help you guys out. I've genuinely seen people drastically change their career paths, and I've seen it before my own eyes. I've flown with captains who have done it, and I've seen hundreds and hundreds of pilots in a position when they were in a previous job before and decided, I'm going to switch up my life and I'm going to go and do something completely different. And there they are, sat next to me, flying a multi-million-pound jet around the world with me. You are going to be amongst some of the highest earners in the UK. For the sake of a small cut in your savings, you're going to be drastically pushing your earning potentials to another level. When I started this journey, I was also very worried about what the work-life balance would be like. Could I raise a family within this industry? What about if I want kids? I don't have kids at the moment, but I can assure you I've flown with hundreds of captains and hundreds of pilots who have got children. They have established a very, very healthy balance between life and work, which you can definitely also establish. Again, if you're interested, please DM me on Instagram. If you're worried about your age or worried about your background, I've made previous videos completely foiling that misconception. Another aspect of it is right now is probably the best time that you can possibly get into the industry. We're on an exponential increase in demand of air travel with a limiting workforce of pilots. So you will essentially have the pick of your airline as well as airlines competing for you. So they're going to be increasing their work standards to accommodate more and more pilots in competition with other airlines. So you are in a massively advantageous position if you are thinking about starting out. Again, please just give me a message and we can book in a time to have a chat about it. But thank you guys so much for listening to me today. I hope I've helped some of you out there. And if you could do me a massive favor, just like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll do my best to keep you guys updated and give you all a bit of an insight as to what life is like as a pilot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.